Let me tell you something. One day, I came across this candy, and it wasn't good, y'all. Let me tell you, that candy got me looking like this. I used to be so beautiful. Then I came across that candy. The name of it was a Butterfinger. I thought that Butterfinger was gonna be the best thing that ever happened to me. But you know what? It turns out that Butterfinger was the worst thing that ever happened to me. You see, I used to be beautiful. I used to model and I used to pose like no other. But now my nose shrank, my face got wider, and my chillins don't even recognize me. It's a shame and a disgrace. You don't eat them Butterfingers. I tell you the truth. 'Cause them things are dangerous. You heard it from me. Don't tell nobody I told you that.